So in this video, we're going to review probability real quick for slide 17 versus 18. They're basically the same setup, but in question on slide 17, we're asked for the theoretical probability, and then on the next slide, we are asked for the experimental probability, okay? So I'm going to start with slide 17. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different cards, okay? They're all the same size and shape, and they're all going to be placed into a bag. A card is randomly selected and then placed back into the bag. This is done 30 times. It looks like we're given the results that A was selected 3 of the times. So we know based on the results that we have 3 out of the 30 times we landed on A. Okay, so this is based on the results. This would be the experimental probability of landing on A. Now theoretically though, what would be the probability of us picking an A? Well, that's 1 out of the 6. So theoretically, it had a 1 out of 6 chance, which as a percent is that 0.166666 that keeps repeating. And so that's going to be about a 16.7% chance. And depending on how we round it, it's arguably about a 17% chance, okay? So it's about a 17% chance. Now on the next slide, though, it's literally the exact same thing. It's just going to say what's the experimental probability, which we found right here. So we know that 3/10 reduces, or sorry, 3/30 reduces to 1/10, which is 10%. So on slide 17, what you have here is theoretically, we expected it to happen about 17% of the time. That would have been theoretical, all right? Now on the next slide for slide 18, this is the part where we're given those results, where it's the 3/10 that, 3/30 that reduced to a 1/10, and so it happened 10% of the time. All right, and that's the review video for experimental results versus theoretical going into the experiment. Thank you.